Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, on Friday filed a motion to dismiss the defamation lawsuit brought against her by her half-sister Samantha Markle, describing the case as without merit and based on allegations that are demonstrably false. The Duchess also asked a Florida federal court to order her half-sister to cover attorney's fees. In the complaint filed March 3, Samantha Markle, 57, alleged that Meghan published and disseminated false and malicious lies designed to destroy her reputation and expose her to humiliation, shame and hatred on a worldwide scale in order to paint a false narrative of her childhood. Markle is suing the Duchess for damages in excess of $75,000, claiming harm to her reputation as well as lost employment and lost income from the sale of her autobiography The Diary of Princess Pushy's Sister. We feel confident that we'll survive a motion to dismiss based on the allegations and the specific falsities that were made by the Duchess, Markle's attorney Jamie Sasson told. Although Samantha Markle claims that her half-sister made 3 defamatory statements during Meghan's March 2021 blockbuster interview with Oprah Winfrey, the bulk of the case concerns information reported in a 2020 biography of Meghan and her husband Prince Harry titled Finding Freedom. Finding Freedom, written by reporters Omid Scobie and Carolyn Durand, is a flattering biography of Meghan and Harry that is regularly referred to as a hagiography by the UK press. Although the Duke and Duchess said in a sworn statement to a UK court that they had not coordinated with the authors, it later emerged that in 2018 they had instructed their then communications secretary Jason Knauf to share specific information with Scobie and Durand in a background meeting. Evidence of this was shown in emails between Knauf and Meghan, and Harry were made public as part of a copyright and privacy lawsuit the Duchess filed against the publishers of the Mail on Sunday. Following the publication of the emails, Meghan formally apologized to the court for previously stating that she had not had any involvement with the book. Samantha Markle's lawsuit accuses Meghan of making defamatory statements in a background briefing email to Knauf and also claims that the Duchess is responsible for what Markle describes as defamatory statements published in the biography itself. In total, Markle's lawsuit lists 17 allegedly defamatory statements, 7 that were made in Meghan's email to Knauf, 7 that were made in Finding Freedom, and 3 that were made during the Oprah interview. In the motion to dismiss filed Friday, Meghan's lawyers denied all of Markle's allegations, and stated that even if they were true, the Duchess's half-sister would still have no case. First, because the statements that Meghan made about Markle in her 2018 briefing email to Knauf were made outside of Florida's 2-year statute of limitations for defamation. Second, because Meghan didn't write Finding Freedom. And finally, because Meghan's statements about her half-sister in the email and in the Oprah interview are substantially true, and protected by the First Amendment. The filing included an itemized list of responses to all 17 of the statements that Samantha Markle claimed were defamatory. The motion's request that Markle be compelled to pay Meghan's legal fees is based on a Florida law that prohibits lawsuits filed against individuals who are exercising their right to free speech in connection with public issues. Samantha Markle's new legal firm, the Ticktin Law Group, is currently representing former U.S. President Donald Trump in a lawsuit against Hillary Clinton and the Democratic National Committee over the 2016 election. In other news, Meghan Markle has been slammed as deluded and arrogant by disgruntled royal fans and branded Miss Privacy by a royal expert as Joe Biden's sister welcomed her to join the Democratic Party. The Duchess of Sussex was mentioned by Valerie Biden Owens when she said yes, perhaps one day Meghan would be a candidate for the U.S. presidency. These comments led to a royal expert slamming the Duchess for loving the spotlight despite claiming to seek privacy for her family and children. A disgruntled Ms. Kelly rudely savaged the Duchess of GB News, saying, "Ms. I want privacy wants to run for president. Ms. I want privacy for my children. She's showing up to the Jubilee with her children who are going to be on camera and she wants to rub shoulders with the first-tier royals." The comments about Meghan has led to royal fans chiming in with their opinions, with many fuming at the Duchess for wanting privacy but considering being the most important and visible person in the U.S. One royal fan wrote, "How much more deluded and arrogant can you get?" Another said, "If it means losing her titles, I say go for it. If the American people, now knowing what she is like, vote her in, then they deserve all they get."